Hey, Intermediate Algebra. So this is your second assignment for our first day here. This one will only look confusing for a moment, and then you're going to see just how easy it is. So let's get started. A rectangle has a height of 2 and a width of 5x squared minus 2x plus 3. So basically what they're saying is you're going to take the height of 2. You know how to find the area of a rectangle. You take the length or the height times the width, or the width times height. Well, if the height is 2, and the width is 5x squared minus 2x plus 3, we would kind of write it out like this. Well, what they did is they built what's called a generic rectangle, and I love the generic rectangle, okay? Generic rectangle is where they build a 1 high rectangle and a 3 long rectangle. So it's got 1, 2, 3 boxes, and I love how they broke this into different colors. It looks great. So it's a generic rectangle where we are simply going to take the height and we're going to multiply it by each of those widths. Okay, so 2 times 5x squared would be 10x squared. 2 times negative 2x would be negative 4x, and 2 times 3 would be 6. I cannot combine any of these because they're not like terms. This one has an x squared term, so it cannot be combined with an x term, and we already know that x terms cannot be combined with 6's. So these are not like terms. So our final answer is just simply, it's down here somewhere. It was supposed to be down there somewhere. It is, I'm going to type it in that, 10x squared, tab out of there, minus 4x, whoopsie, that's still in that thing, 10x, try this again. See the loveliness of all this. Oops, that's why I didn't do that. Oh, I remember what I gotta do now. There we go. Minus 4x plus 6. So this is how you would type in your answer right there. Right there. Let's do one more. Okay, so we've got this one here. We've got another rectangle with a height of 5 and a width of x squared plus 2. So again, it's height of 5 and then the width of x squared plus 2. So you can see they put the x squared plus 2 on this part of the generic rectangle, and they put the 5 on this part of the generic rectangle. As we multiply this, 5 times x squared is 5x squared. 5 times 2 is 10. So we would write this as 5x squared, and then plus 10. Right there's our answer. Hopefully that makes sense. That's all there is to it, guys. You'll blow through this one. Have a great day. Bye-bye.